Are you feeling depleted and in need of a quick energy boost? There are some tried and tested ways to hack your mood to help you feel more energized. First, get up and move. Exercise releases endorphins, which are natural mood enhancers that help you feel more energized. Try a quick workout or go for a brisk walk. Another hack is to listen to upbeat music. Studies have shown that listening to music with a fast tempo and a positive message can have a significant impact on your mood. Drinking water is also a key factor in boosting your mood and energy levels. Dehydration can result in fatigue, so make sure you stay hydrated throughout the day. Another hack is to get some fresh air and sunshine. Sunlight can elevate your mood by boosting levels of serotonin, which is a natural mood booster. Finally, practicing gratitude can help you feel more energized and positive. Focus on the good things in your life and appreciate them. Try incorporating some of these hacks into your daily routine to help you feel more energized and ready to take on the day. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks.